What if you could just use your smartphone to carry out some simple activities and earn $40 in less than a minute after seeing this video and mastering the strategy? Making $40 once, $400 10 times, and $4,000 100 times is possible. There are no restrictions and anything is possible with these 3 separate websites, which I'll be demonstrating in this video. What if you could just use your smartphone to carry out some simple activities and earn $40 in less than a minute after seeing this video and mastering the strategy? Making $40 once, $400 10 times, and $4,000 100 times is possible. There are no restrictions and anything is possible with these 3 separate websites, which I'll be demonstrating in this video. It is universally accessible, totally free, and pays out the same day. I'm very eager. Let's view the video right away. Watch the video right away, because I'll show you 3 distinct places where you can make money online. You should watch the complete movie. To earn the maximum money and to consistently create a variety of streams of income, combine all 3 of these strategies, so make sure you don't skip forward or miss anything in this video. Before we start, let me quickly go through some of the available payment options. How do your tasks help you earn money? PayPal allows you to earn money, as you can see. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can withdraw your funds right into your bank account. You may even make withdrawals in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and the majority of nations in the globe are supported. This method is quite straightforward. Consider all the money you can make. Despite the fact that it might not seem like much money, bear in mind that it quickly adds up. I'll let you in on a little trick that will enable you to effortlessly earn $40 repeatedly while repeating it as frequently as you desire. A computer or smartphone will do. No prior knowledge or expertise is necessary. It's quite simple. We're going to use this website as our initial resource. You only need to complete a few quick, easy activities. For instance, like videos, viewing movies, doing a few easy surveys, going to certain websites, or sending a few easy emails. You can select whatever work you want to do and earn $5 or $10. I'll show you which one is best for you to do in order to earn a lot of money online while just devoting a few seconds. The name of the first website is Picoworkers. You can accomplish simple jobs on this website to make a lot of money. You can get a bonus of $0.75 in free money after signing up. You can get some free money as soon as you make an account, and then you can seek for different jobs to work on. I found that liking and viewing videos is the quickest way to make money on this platform. To quickly multiply your revenue so that you may earn even more than other people, I'll show you a great little method if you stick with me to the end of this video. I'd like to present one more strategy, one more tactic, called the referral program. If you have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Tumblr account, you can share this with others on those platforms. If they sign up and finish the assignment, you can get paid commissions for it. As you start getting more recommendations over time, this will develop into your second source of passive income. They will grow when they all come together. You always have the option to actively accomplish the assignment yourself if you'd rather not rely on commissions or referrals. Through movie watching and enjoying, you can make $1 to $2. You can do it in about 30 seconds because it is that simple. You must complete the tasks on this website in order to get paid by the employer. Then you must present them with evidence. I'll show you exactly how to do it so you don't make any mistakes. Because so many users contribute inaccurately or never at all, they are unable to profit from this platform. But first, let's take a look at another website where you can gain points that, once you've acquired them all, you can then swap for actual money. At the time I'm filming this video, 1,000 points are worth $1. I'll show you a way to help you get 500,000 points in a single day. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Ruined the video now. Another suggestion is to just use Proton VPN if you are from anywhere other than the United States. You can download this free VPN service to your computer and smartphone so you can sign up whenever you visit a website like this. Due to the fact that many websites out there restrict access to specific nations, you cannot register. So be sure to utilize Proton VPN. The name of this website is Earnably. Although this is a real website, you must use Proton VPN to register if you are from one of the minor nations. Simply by watching videos on this website, you can make money. To visit one of these businesses' websites and see the complete video without missing a beat, you only need to click on one of the highlighted names. You can let it run in the background on a computer or when using a phone. While it plays on its own, you are free to do other things. The best part is that if you have more mobile devices at home, including those of your parents or siblings, you may make even more money. Additionally, you can combine the two websites to earn $30 quickly and easily. Keep in mind that anything else is just a waste of time. Focus on watching and liking videos solely. Avoid taking surveys as they pay very little as well. I'll now introduce the third website, StreetBees. With this program, you may accomplish relatively simple tasks and get paid a lot of money for each text or message you send. You can sign up, make a free account, and take images as requested if you have a smartphone. For example, taking pictures of your food, beverages, and other objects, and then sending you a message that requires a response. Sometimes when you answer to them, they want you to include the pictures, images of your attire and the breakfast you are currently eating, for instance. To get $10, take pictures of them and send them to StreetBees. They'll just ask you to take a few quick images of things you see every day, like coffee, clothes, computers, phones, buildings, and whatever else they ask. This is a rather straightforward task. To start making money, just take the images right away, upload them, and email them. This is how you can make money on StreetBees. This software is now available for free download from the Google Play Store or the App Store. After selecting a task and answering a few questions, you will receive money. If you click the Join Up button and have an Android phone, you will be directed to the App Store, where you can discover a pretty positive review. You can check out the 4 stars and 33,000 reviews for yourself. After looking over some of the examples above, you can download this application and give it a try. By finishing a narrative, sending a message, and responding to a message each day in the span of 2 to 5 minutes, you can easily earn $10. I'd like to point out that you can enroll in their StreetBees Ambassador program. Considering how young they are, they advise, get paid to help us expand your country. The platform and the business are both fresh. This company is trendy, therefore if you're from another country, you have a wonderful chance to join it. By using the Apply Now button, you can join them from anywhere in the world. You will receive large payments for each time you share a tale, send some messages, and answer a straightforward question in the initial 87 nations. If you expand them, there are no competitors because of its recent development. Many people are unaware that this website even exists. Joining the StreetBees Ambassador program only requires that you enter your name and email address and click the Apply Now button. The end of that. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.